Increase the first cut amount and maximum cut amount to 70%. Check the tool path in graphic area. Now right-click on Stock Manager and click Edit Definition. In Stock Type select Bounding Box. And OK the command. Now click on Simulate Tool Path. Decrease the speed and play the animation. OK. Operation Parameters dialog box is appeared. In the Tool tab change the diameter tool to 10 mm. Flute length is 30 mm. And overall length is 60 mm. And now click on Simulate Tool Path. Decrease the speed and play the drilling animation. OK, good. In Roughing tab, inside Parameters, change the allowance value to 0. Change the final cut amount value to 0. And OK the command. Right-click on Rough Mill 2 and edit definition. And the mounting boss is created exactly where you click. OK. You can see the shape on your flat face. The next command is Vent. Run the command and in the boundary blue box, select the biggest circle in this 2D sketch that's drawn before. In the ribs area, select the straight lines that drawn before in 2D sketch. Select all of them. Change the width of ribs value to 2 mm. And in the spars area, select this 2 remaining circles in 2D sketch. And now, accept the default parameters and dimensions. You can see the preview in yellow color. OK the command. Run the section view command. And see the model in section. OK, that's good. In parting surface, increase the distance value to 80 mm. And you can see the preview of parting surface in yellow color. In edges to radiate pink box, select this edge from surface. If necessary, click flip direction. And change the radiate distance value to 30 mm. And OK the command. Now you can see the radiated surface in this edge. Reference vector is top plane. And see the result preview in yellow color. You can change the reference vector to front plane. Change the values and test it more and more. Then in Command Manager, extrude boss/base. 40 mm extrude value. And with fastening features, cut the current sketch from main body and finish it. The first step is complete. Then mesh is created. OK. Do it and complete the mesh step. Good. OK the command. And click on SolidWorks plastic icon in right side of graphic area. As you see, click Add Injection Location icon. In Type and Selection box in left side, click and choose the location of injection. OK. That's very good. Then click Add Location icon. And OK the command. In right side click Next. And in step number 5, click Run Simulation. As you see, the Analysis Manager dialog boxes appear. Play the animation and see it. You can see the movement of melts and its velocity. In vertical colored column, you can see the velocity by second. Click Pressure at end of fill. And see the colored vertical column. Then also click Central Temperature at end of fill. Average temperature. Bulk temperature. And many other results that you can analyze them. And check the analysis colors such as green and red faces. Take the split faces checkbox. Accept the add plus/draft transition. And OK the command. Then insert menu and molds. Run the shut off surfaces command and run it. OK the default parameters and OK the command. Choose the best values. And complete it. Finish the command. And now you have 3 bodies. Hide the core body and see the cavity. And again hide the cavity body and see the core body. If necessary, correct the core or cavity bodies. Like it? Very good. Click End Condition. Strategy is finish. Blind value is 8 mm. And side taper 20 degrees. OK the command.